Today I want to show you a recipe for smooth flan, or some people call it creme caramel. To make the caramel, add sugar to a pot and heat on medium. Swirl the pot to even out the sugar and add the water. Let everything boil until achieving the caramel. Even if your sugar crystallizes, you can still achieve a good caramel. Just lower the heat gently and start stirring until you achieve the caramel color you want. Once the caramel is ready, we have to pour it in the ceramic or glass ramekin. Next, we have to boil in a pot the milk with the vanilla paste. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs and sugar until sugar dissolves and eggs become slightly pale. Next, pour the warm milk gently into the eggs. Strain the mix through a fine mesh and leave at room temperature for 30 minutes, so any bubbles on the top can dissolve. Then gently pour the egg mix in the ramekins. Pour cold water in the tray about the same height as the custard in the ramekins. Bake at preheated at 150 Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit oven for about 30 minutes, or until once you jiggle the caramel ramekins, the custard jiggles all together as a whole, not like a liquid. Or alternatively, you can probe with a thermoprobe and you're looking for about 70 Celsius, which will be optimal for the egg to coagulate. And once the custard is cold, the creme caramel will be set properly. Once baked, let them cool down and they're ready to be turned around as they're usually served. Or you can just scoop them out with a spoon and eat them like this. You can see the perfect smooth inside with no bubbles, which means they're perfectly cooked. That's everything. Thank you for watching. We hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing with the bell button, like and share this video and comment down below.